Hi all, welcome to Excel World. Today our topic is bar chart. Bar chart are used to analyze the data with horizontal columns. So bar chart is nothing but a graphical representation of our data, and to select that we will click on insert, then we will scroll down the charts. We can see there's a bar option. So here in bar chart we have three types of chart, which is where we can see the first one where it will be reflecting as a cluster chart. So cluster chart is if the first type of bar chart. Here the definition of cluster chart is also showing. Then the second chart is stacked bar. So stacked bar definition is also reflecting here. You can read it out and understand what it is. Then the third chart is 100% stacked bar chart. So its definition is also reflecting. It is nothing but the representation of the second chart in 100% data. So now we will select our data, then we will click on insert and then scroll the charts, and then we will go to bar chart and then we will select any of the bar chart. So here we are selecting the first chart to show you how it will display when we will select the first chart. So here we can see the data is reflecting first sales volume and sales year. So here we can see all the data is in column option and it is showing the entire representation of our data. Then we will again selecting and then we click on insert and then we select the second option of bar chart which is available. So we have clicked on second chart. Here we can see the difference between second chart and the first chart is nothing but the parameters is showing in two different columns in first chart, and the parameters is showing in second chart as a single column. So here we can see the difference. So we can select the option according to our need and as per our requirement. So now we are selecting again this chart and clicking on insert and then again selecting the chart. So now this time we will be selecting the third chart, which will be 100% stack bar chart. So after selecting that, we can see there is a slight difference between the third chart and the second chart. So as per the slight difference, we can say that the third chart is representing the entire data with 100% stack. But however, in the second chart, we can see it is not representing the entire data as per the 100%. So we can see there is a slight difference between both charts. So we can select the both charts as per our need and according to our requirements. So here we can see all the three charts. When we will click on for any of the chart, we can see the format. So here we have chart title. We can change our chart title as per our need. Here we are putting it as a bar chart as an example. So here we have other options to change the formatting of the chart title. Then we have legend. So legend is nothing but the topics of the chart. So we can change the position of our legend. Then we have other options to change the axis formats also. So here we can see our chart name is change. So thanks for watching the videos. Please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends and family. Bye. Take care.